Hi, my name is Lizzie, and my voice is kind of going away, so I thought I'd do something a little more visual today and build this little Lego set. A while ago, I built the Rapunzel Tower with James. Check that out. Here, it's somewhere. You can click it. You'll figure it out. So now I got the Disney Princess Daisy's Beauty Salon. This is from Whisker Haven Tales with the Palace Pets. I think this is a show, and it's like all of the princesses have their own little pets. So they gave Rapunzel this yellow dog because she has blonde hair. Okay, this never works. These are always lies. There we go. I got it. Like on the macaroni boxes, it's like, push your thumb here. It never works. Never. Okay. It's not that intimidating. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be like a little grooming station. I should have been there at the start to be the one to play the part. Those blue eyes beneath the shine of a street light. Oh, what a sight, yeah. I doubt I'll ever see that again. I wanna wake up in oh my gosh, these are like little hair accessories that you can change out for the dog. So cute. I want to put a flower. I doubt I'll ever see that again. I want to wake up in. Cause all I know is the light that never slows. Splash water. It's real. Thanks so much for watching my little Lego build. Follow me on Twitter because today James and I are going to Disneyland and we will be running Twitter polls throughout the day so that you tell us what to do next. And I'll make a video of that and it'll be up tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, bye. Cotton Eye. Sounds like a high school of cotton balls. There's Lucky Charms on it.